Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Refer to the exhibit. AOS switches will enforce 802.1x authentication on edge ports. The company has two radius servers, which are meant to provide redundancy and load sharing of requests. The exhibit shows the planned radius settings to deploy to the switches. What should customers understand about this plan? Option A. AOS switches do not support two radius servers for redundancy. Instead, a secondary authentication method is required. Option B. Dynamic authentication is only permitted on one of the radius servers and must be removed from the other. Option C. Each radius server must use a unique port number for the authentication and dynamic authorization. Port. Option D. Each AOS switch will send all radius requests to the first server on the list unless that server becomes unreachable. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Each AOS switch will send all radius requests to the first server on the list unless that server becomes unreachable. Question 2. An administrator wants to ensure that an AOS switch forwards all traffic that it receives on interface 1 with high priority. Switches should also communicate the high priority to other switches across the traffic path. The switch has type of service disabled. The administrator plans to apply 802.1p priority 5 to interface 1. What should the administrator check to ensure that the configuration will work properly? Option A. Interface 1 receives traffic with a tag. Option B. The AOS switch is configured to use 8 queues. Option C. The forwarding path for the traffic uses VLAN tags. Option D. An 802.1p to DSCP map exists for priority 5. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Interface 1 receives traffic with a tag. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.